Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to bulk create Pinterest pins for free. So all you got to do is just head over to the home feed or to the three bars at the top left and hit create pin. You can see that I already drafted 9 pins already. Right? So you could go ahead and continue and add more pins. You can add up to 200 pins per day. So you can create as many pins as possible, right? Organically by adding, of course, your photos here, or your product, whatever, add title, description, etc. If you want to publish them in bulk, you could just go ahead and select them all. Select your draft, basically, right? And you have up to 30 days until expiration. So make sure to publish them all, right? And hit publish here. So that's the organic way to create bulk Pinterest pins for free. So consider liking this video, subscribe, until next time, see you.